If you've decided this is the year you're going to take care of your body, if you want organic and gluten-free food, vitamins and minerals, if you're getting fit and need sports supplements, it's time you took a look inside Nature's Larder. As Aberdeen's original health shop, we can offer expert advice and help. We stock dried fruit, herbal teas, pulses, vegetarian food, muesli and whole foods. And as a member of the National Association of Health Foods, you can buy from us by mail order for your convenience. Call us today at Nature's Larder